We're so excited to have you here at Lotocast. Let me show you how to upload your music. Sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, click on the upper right hand corner icon and you'll see Artist menu. Then go to the albums, and then we're going to go click on a new album. If you just want to upload songs, you could go back to where it says uploads instead of albums. Go ahead and put in the title and fill out all the information for your album. Once you get that information filled out, you'll need to upload an icon or a graphic for that album. It's required, so just find the graphic on your computer and upload that. Once you're done with this, you can go down and hit the save button. And then after you have your album, you just click on your album, and then you can upload the songs by clicking on upload, and then choose a file. When you choose a file, you can choose all of your songs at once. By choosing all the songs at once, it saves a lot of time. Wait for the songs to upload, and then you'll have a new record for each of the songs that you can fill out. You can change the title, you can choose your genre, you can choose your mood, and how you'd like your song to be presented to the public. When you're done with that record, click on the save button, and then you can do the next song. Again, the genre and the mood can have multiple entries. Once you finish your last song, it takes you back to the main upload page for that album, and you're done. Now you have your album and all the songs on your album. If you want to edit your album, you just click on the edit button, or if you want to click on any of the songs, you can click on the edit button for those as well. You can edit whatever you want in the song and just click on the save button when you're done. And that's the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can reach out to support@lotocast.com.